So let us see one more problem on distance and speed. So from this problems on quadratic equations. So the statement, if you understand, then we can come to know what to do. So here is the question is the speed of an express train. Speed of an express train is x kilometers per hour. The two trains. Express train is speed is x kilometers per hour, and speed of an ordinary train is 12 kilometers per hour less than the express train. So this is x, but this is 12 kilometers less. That means x minus 12. Okay, speed of the express train is x and speed of the ordinary train is x minus 12. These are the first two statements. So let me write, let the speed of the express train so this is a x kilometers per hour, first one. Now similarly the speed of the ordinary train. So speed of the ordinary train also write, that is 12 kilometers per hour less. So x minus 12 kilometers per hour. Now next statement, if you continue, if the ordinary train takes 1 hour longer than the express train to cover the distance of 240 kilometers. So distance is 240. So distance not changing. So distance from one place to other place is fixed. So distance is 240 kilometers. This there is no change. But only thing is based on that both the time gap is 1 hour less. So because of time gap is 1 hour, so we should find out the time taken in the both the cases. So time taken by express train and time taken by the ordinary train to find out. So there is a formula. You know, speed is equal to distance by time. Then here time is equals to so distance by speed. So that formula will apply. You know that. So just time is equals to distance by speed. So time we can find out in the both the cases. So time taken by express train. Same to cover the 240 kilometers. So distance is 240. So to cover same 240 kilometers is, that is the formula distance by speed. So distance is 240, but express train speed is x. Then again time taken by ordinary train. So ordinary train also to cover the same 240 kilometers, that is same distance is 240 but speed is x minus 12. This both. So this is also in hours, this is also in hours only. Time is hours. So difference of this both the time, if you have difference is both, that 1 hour difference here. So 1 hour longer from the express train. So if you subtract this both, 1 hour that is equals to 1 hour. But which is the big, which is small, that we should find out. From which number to which number should subtract. So here is when the speed is more, it takes less time. Okay, when the speed is less, it takes more time, that we know. So x and x minus 12. X minus 12 is less. So this is the more time it takes. That means from 240 by x minus 12. From this you subtract 240 by x. That is equals to 1 because it's 1 hour. The time gap is 1 hour for the both the cases. Now this we can solve to find out the value of x. So this statement is very important. After getting from this, just you can solve by taking some common. So I am taking 240 common. To make the problem simple, take the common 240. So 1 by x minus 12 it is. This is the minus 1 by x is equals to 1. So 240 you can take right side, that is next up becomes 1 by 240. Now this is a 1 by x minus 12 minus 1 by x. Do LCM this left side, you can do cross directly. 1 into x is x minus of x minus 12 by x into x minus 12. Just I took the LCM, that is 1 by 240. So simplify numerator, x to minus plus 12 by x into x square minus 12 into x is 12x is equals to 1 by 240. You can cancel this minus x and plus x. Then next do cross multiplication. Just if you do cross multiplication, x square minus 12x into 1. Okay, just to go for cross multiplication and solve. This is x square minus 12x is equals to 240 into 12. 240 into 12, we did that is 2880. And some already solved previous. Then x square minus 12x minus 2880 is equals to 0. Take left. Split these terms. This is a minus 60 plus 48. So x square minus 60x plus 48x. Because minus 60 plus 48 is minus 12 and minus 60 into 48 is minus 2880. So in the previous chapter learn those thoroughly. Quadratic equations. Take the common and simplify. X is the common, x minus 60 and plus 48 is the common, same x minus 60 is equals to 0. So x minus 60 is the common overall and x plus 48. By applying zero product rule, we can take this x minus 60 is equal to 0 or x plus 48 is equals to 0. From this directly we can write. So x minus 60 is equal to 0. So then this is x is equals to 60. We got positive and one more is x is equals to minus 48 from this. So x is the speed here. So x is the speed of the express train taken already. So this is neglected because speed should not be negative. You can write side. So because of minus 48, speed cannot be negative. So that's neglected, we can write. Hence x is equal to 60. Therefore speed of the express train, because x we are taken out, speed of the express train. So express train speed is 60 kilometers per hour. So any problem which is related to this, you should check whether time difference or what difference. So here is the time difference. That's why time we should find out both separately, then apply this quadratic equation. From this we can know how to solve. Or we like this problems we solved in previous chapters also. So this is one. Next let us see few more problems based on the average speed also.